Hey guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclopedia. In this video, we are discussing question number 1 to 6. Before starting this, I want to share something. Encyclopedia is providing all type of homework help. If you want this and if you are looking for the assignments solutions, so we are here for help you. And for this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900 936 8238. You can contact us anytime on this number. So here we are discussing about the questions of history. That you can see there are the total 6 questions in this paper. First, second, third, all are about 40 to 60 words, and question number 4 and 5 about 200 to 150 words, and question number 6 is a project based answer, and you have to write only 500 words. If you need this, contact us today so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video for answers. We are here for help you. Contact anytime. Thank you so much.